Hello and welcome to the masterclass of cracking interview. Let me congratulate you first, as I'm sure you are either waiting for an interview call or you are being proactive, and proactive means it's a well start. So let me ask you, what do you prepare for an interview? What is it that you prepare? Most people would say it is just going through question and answers. But what if I say there is something more which is equally important when it comes to interview? Now let's say you and your friend both go for an interview. You both are of same caliber and you both go for an interview. One of you gets selected and the other doesn't. Or in a scenario wherein you answer all the questions perfectly, 10 on 10. Still you don't get selected. What is the reason? If you believe only question and answers are solution, what is the reason for it? If we have never met, I am Nishita Ajmera and I have been into training for more than 10 plus years of my career, and because of my role I have interviewed thousands of candidates, and here I am here to help you shape your career. Answer to the above question that I asked you is that we are human. A human is taking a human's interview and we are not robots. A specific answer is important, but how you say is even more important. Why? HR might like your enthusiasm, or it could be that you are a great team player, or it could be anything from multiple facets what a human mind can feel and think. So it is above and beyond what you say. It is how you say, along with other factors that I'll definitely be taking into consideration. So in this masterclass, I'll take you through each step. I have divided the masterclass into two sections. First, preparation for interview. Preparation for interview has 4 stages. Before the interview, even before we sit for an interview, there are 4 stages. 2 stages that we need to take care while in the interview, and one is post that interview. Yes, absolutely, there are 7 stages, out of which couple of them probably you might be aware. All you need to do is just brush it up again, and for few definitely we'll have to dig more in detail. And I've also taken into consideration few don'ts so that we can avoid those pitfalls. And the second section is obviously question and answers. Here too, each question would be in 2 sections. The first section is, why is that question asked in the first place, and what is it that interviewer wants to hear? So that would be the first part, and the second part would be demo, of course. So I have taken few demos as per the question. Since I believe my audience could be from varied field, if there is a demo and understanding, they can tweak it as per their own convenience or as per their own sector.